Understand oxidation in terms of oxidation numbers. Oxidation is defined as the loss of electrons, which mathematically corresponds to an increase in the oxidation number of an atom. Determine the initial oxidation numbers in the reactants. In H2O2, hydrogen peroxide hydrogen is assigned its standard oxidation state of +1. Since hydrogen peroxide is a neutral compound, the sum of all oxidation numbers must equal 0. This forces the two oxygen atoms to have a combined state of -2, meaning each oxygen atom possesses an oxidation number of -1, a classic exception to oxygen's typical -2 state. In MnO4 to the power negative, permanganate ion oxygen is assigned its standard oxidation state of -2. For the polyatomic ion to maintain its overall charge of -1, the manganese, Mn, atom must have an oxidation number of +7, Mn +4, -2, equals -1. In H to the power plus, the hydrogen ion has an oxidation number of +1. Determine the final oxidation numbers in the products. In Mn to the power 2 plus, for a monoatomic ion, the oxidation state is equal to its ionic charge, meaning manganese has an oxidation number of +2. In H2O, hydrogen remains at +1 and oxygen is at its standard state of -2. In O2, for any element in its pure, neutral elemental state, the oxidation number is 0. Identify which element undergoes oxidation. An increase in oxidation number manganese changes from +7 to +2. This is a decrease in oxidation state, gain of electrons, which represents reduction. Hydrogen remains at +1 throughout. Oxygen changes from -1 in H2O2 to 0 in O2. This is an increase in oxidation number, loss of electrons, confirming that oxygen is the element being oxidized. Select the matching option. This process proves that oxygen is oxidized and its oxidation number changes from -1 to 0, verifying option A as the correct choice. The correct answer is option A, oxygen, which changes from -1 to 0.